ऑलवेज से आई एम अमेजिंग ये यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप सभी का स्वागत है। अगर आप यहाँ पे पहली बार आए हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे सभी वीडियोस को पहली बार पाने के लिए बेल आइकॉन को हिट कीजिए।
This is Rohan Homkar, and I have very much negative beliefs about myself, my money management. And what are those? First one, striving for wealth won't allow much time for anything else in life. I think the wealth creation required some effort, some time to be given, talent to be used. So for that, I have to sacrifice some other part of my life like family and outing and tours. I have to work hard for making the wealth. So I think that is my wrong belief. If I use some techniques, then I definitely go away with this belief. Second wrong belief I have, that to be rich you have to use people, you have to take advantage of people. This is my wrong belief, because people are really helpful, they will going to help you if you ask them. So this is my wrong belief, I want to change it. Then also, if I get rich, everyone wants something from me. These points tell me that you have to be rich and then you have to help society. So definitely there is something in you which can help you, but this point is letting you down, so you have to improve on it. So next point, which is negative belief for me in a money management, that is I am not very good in the area of money and finance. See, if I'm coming getting paychecks, I'm getting some of the contracts, I am not able to manage them. I'm not able to keep the money, keep the finance in a very well place. I'm not a student of accounting, so might be that is my frame thought in my mind. So I want to change that. Now second is that if I get a lot of money, I might lose it. That is my strong belief, that if I get money, I will lose it. But I going to save on the money, but sometimes I feel that bank will get some loss, or bank ka data sab ud jayega, something like that. That wrong belief is in me. But if the bank is handling so much of customers, why their money is going to lose? That belief I have to change. That negative belief I have to change, right? So after that, I have a potential for wealth, but what I need is a break. Break means I want to start something, I want to do something at a higher level. But why break is necessary? You can start from this moment. This is your negative belief, you have to change it, you have to start from this point. So next is, trying to earn money is a hassle and struggle. Yes, I think that money making, money generating requires lots of smart work, hard work and struggle. But when we do it, we have money, then we have to enjoy it. So that negative belief I have to remove. Next, it takes money to make money. Yes, somewhat I think this, but if you have a skill, if you have a talent, the money is not the important part to have as a money requires to make money. Next point, which is negative for me, I want to see, that is a financial security comes from having a good job and steady paycheck. Yes, it is a risk-free income and comfort zone. And why we have to stick on the comfort zone? Yes, definitely, this is my wrong belief. I want to change it. Then I have to take a risk and then go say goodbye to the job. But also there are some again negative belief in my mind. It is strong that good job gives you some security and all. I want to change it. I want to change it. Yes, next is, if success come easy, it is not worthwhile. It is not like that. For success you require to do hard work. Success is not easy. Success is not easy. That is my wrong belief. If we do hard work, smart work, and if we do something in a right direction, it will definitely be a easy, and it is really worthful. That belief I want to change. Next is, I am a good giver but not a good receiver. Why you don't want to receive? Say, if you want to give a talent to the society, you want to grow society, you have to take something back from the society, because if you are not paying anything, definitely you are not getting anything. Yes, next, that belief I going to change. Other people's opinion for me is very much important. Why I am feeling like this? This is my negative belief. I want to change it. People किसी को भी कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, अच्छे लोग को भी बुरा बोलते हैं, बुरे लोग को भी बुरा बोलते हैं. Why I have to think about the people? Next is, once I have a lot of money, I will finally feel secure. This is my wrong belief. Why? Because when you have lots of money, you will feel secure. Why you need to be feel secure? You have to be thrust for the more money, more wealth, more intensity. Why? This is my wrong belief. I want to change it. Once I have money, I will put it into the FFA and it will give you the passive income. That should be my good belief. Next is, by being rich, I will prove myself. Why I need to prove myself? That is a wrong belief, and that is again financially. Why? No. So that is my wrong belief. I don't want to prove anything. They don't want to prove anything by being a financially rich. Next is the investment world is complicated and hard to understand. Why you require that? Why it is hard? If you are learning things, you are learning the new things, good things, it is easy. You have to remove this belief. After that, last and most important, investment are for people who have lot of money. It is not like that. If you have 1 rupee, you can have an investment. Investment gives you the passive income, but the investment should be at right direction, and that is the good belief I want to change in my life. Thank you.